Reigning claw. Reigning claw, defense against a right step through uppercut punch to the body. As your opponent steps in with his right uppercut punch, step back with your left foot to a neutral bow and pivot with his downward horizontal forearm strike to the arm. Inward overhead claw to the face, back to neutral bow with the back knuckle to the head, cover out. As your opponent steps in with his right uppercut punch, step back with your left foot and pivot into a right neutral bow with a right downward horizontal forearm strike to his wrist or forearm. Pivot into a right forward bow with a left inward overhead claw to his face. Pivot back into a neutral bow with a right outward back knuckle to his face. Cover out.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it entertaining, educational, and perhaps useful. We have more videos, more content every week. Please give a like, a subscribe, and ring that bell.